How to create a Telegram channel. Okay, well, first of all, go to your Telegram app. Now click on the pencil icon down here. Once you're here, you can see new channel up here. Click on it. Now here, you have to select your channel name. Let's just do a random name. Just going to add random. Now you can add a description of your liking. I'm just going to add random as well. And you can add a profile picture if you decide to. I'm just going to use an emoji. Perfect. Now click here. Now here you can decide if your channel is going to be public or private. I'm just going to leave it public. And you can customize your channel link. Now click on this icon again. Now here you can decide to add contacts. I'm just going to skip this part for now. Perfect, we have our new channel. Now once you're here to broadcast to your contacts, simply click here and write anything you want to broadcast to them. That's how you open a channel on Telegram. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.